the new Shell V-Power Nitro Plus Lego Collection, featuring 4 Ferrari car models and 2 playsets. And who knows where your imagination will take you. Race from the floors up to the walls, or have an off-road race across the top of your van. At 150 pesos each for every 1,500 pesos worth of Shell V-Power Nitro Plus fuels, it's time to start collecting. Only at Shell. #Ready, Set, Build. Valid only at participating Shell stations. See flyers for details. Promo runs from October 30, 2014 to January 15, 2015. For DTI FTED SPD permit number 3809 series of 2014.
Never go out of style with Brother and Bench. Buy selected Brother printers or multi-function centers and get up to 1,000 pesos worth of Bench products for free. Visit the nearest Brother authorized dealer or log on to www.brother.com.ph now. Promo period is from October 15 to December 31, 2014. For DTI FTED SPD permit number 4787 series of 2014.
From flu to super flu, from germs to outbreaks, from infection to contagious diseases. Germs and viruses keep getting stronger. They're always on the attack. Upgrade to Consace. It's multivitamins A, E, C plus zinc, proven to activate more immunity cells than vitamin C. Have you upgraded yet? Upgrade to Consace. Win the battle for immunity. Head to the nearest drugstore for the latest Consace promos. Upgrade to Consace, the official multivitamin of Gilas Pilipinas.
Ang saya talaga pag pwede kang Now, start driving your own car with PNB's Car Loan. Sign up today and get a 25,000 peso rebate plus up to 350,000 pesos in discount coupons. Apply for a PNB Car Loan today at your nearest PNB and Allied Savings Bank branches. For DTI FTED SPD permit number 2906 series of 2014. Promo is from October 1 to December 15, 2014.
Mga misis, goodbye na sa damit mansa dahil narito na ang Pride Barretta with Stay-Away formula. Maputi ang labada at ang bango-bango pa. Pride Barretta with Stay-Away formula.
When you use Pride Barretta with Stay-Away formula, supply ang tubig mansa, sila'y magpapaalam na. Maputi ng labada, ang bango-bango pa, hindi kasi masakal matunaw ko, ang dami ng malalaghan mo. Goodbye, tubig mansa, hello, Pride Barretta!
Pride Barretta, gawa ng ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, world-class quality.
Maalala ko, galing sa libre. Sama-sama tayo, mga bono. Kabutihan tayo, nagkatimalan. Free friends, ikaw lang tayo. Free friends, malamig na bibig. Free friends, ay kumain ka. Para sa kapayapaan. Upang may progreso. Upang preso. Free friends, ikaw lang tayo. Free friends, malamig na bibig. Free friends, ay kumain ka. Free friends, ikaw lang tayo. Free friends.
Karamihan ng pagkain, sweet man or healthy, ay nagiging sugar acid, which is the major cause of cavities. Protektahan ang pamilya laban sa harmful sugar acid. Use the Near Colgate Maximum Cavity Protection plus Sugar Acid Neutralizer. Lorna Tolentino po.
Edu Gonzalo here. Switch to Watson's Generics and save 80% sa diabetes meds.
85% sa vitamin B.
So Watson's, Asia's #1 pharmacy retail brand based on Campaign Asia Pacific Survey 2013.
Switch na!
Watson's generic medicine versus branded medicine. What's the difference? Watson's has high quality standards. Not to mention they cost up to 80% less. I'm Sebastian Pivet, Watson's Quality Assurance Director. Switch to Watson's Generics and save.
Switch to Watson's Generics and save up to 80%.
Boss, pagas nga, 500.
Sir, may SM Advantage card po kayo?
Ha? Di ba Shell to?
Get more when you use your SM Advantage card at Shell. Every 250 pesos single receipt purchase at Shell with your SM Advantage, SM Prestige, or BDO Rewards card also gives you one e-raffle coupon. You can get the chance to win Shell Fuel vouchers, Shell Helix oil change, plus vouchers, and Shell Select gift certificates in the monthly draws. And you can even get the chance to win one of 3 brand new Ford Fiestas with EcoBoost in the grand draw. So gas up at Shell with your SM Advantage card today. Promo valid from September 1 to November 30, 2014. For DTI FTEB SPD permit number 2883, series of 2014.
Pride with fabric conditioner. Magaan na ang labada. Kaya si Mrs. mas lalong magaanda. Honey, anong tingin mo sa blouse na to?
Kaanda.
Kung i-partner ko dito sa Slack.
Kaanda.
Kung mag-dress na lang kaya ako.
Kaanda.
Ngayon, kahit ano pang isuot ni Mrs., magaanda. Kasi gamit niyang panlaba, Pride with fabric conditioner. Nililinis, pinababango, pinalalambot, inaalagaan ang kulay ng damit.
Hindi ko yatang magpajama.
Kaanda.
Pride with fabric conditioner. Magaan ang nabada. Kaya si Mrs. mas lalong magaanda. Pride with fabric conditioner. Gawa ng ACS Manufacturing. ISO certified world-class quality.
May hinahanap ka ba sa lawak ng mundo? Sa araw-araw may naghihintay sa'yo. Para sa'yo. Para sa atin. Saan ka patungo? Saan ka pupunta? Sita, dito na tayo. Pamilya at pagkada. Everything Pinoy.
Papaganda para sa'yo, salong para sa'yong pet. Furniture, handicrafts at iba't ibang damit. Sobrang kalesa at pambatang laruan. Itipladas at mga antik na kagamitan. Kain ka na tambay, gini ka na basya. Pamilihan ng lahat ng iyong mga kailangan. Produktong astig at gawa ng Pilipino. Ano man ang hinahanap mo, nagpapasigurado.
Tara na sa Tiendesitas. Pinoy's best for everyday living.